Hello everyone and welcome to our today's vlog. I'm so excited because today is my birthday and I'm going to have a lot of fun and I have a lot of plans to do today. So if you're interested in seeing a birthday vlog, please walk with me today and let's have some fun. So we chose Airo Cafe for eating breakfast here. Airo in Persian language means Iran. We ordered bacon omelette and tomato omelette, and I heard that the breakfast of this cafe is really delicious. And after that, we are going to experience some pottery here because it's a pottery cafe, and that's why I chose this cafe to eat breakfast here. So this is bacon omelette, and this one is a simple omelette, or we call it tomato omelette.
یه ورز دادنی میدیم و اینکه گل حتما باید روی یک
So I attend in this pottery class, which holds in this cafe, which we ate breakfast in Aero Cafe, and we attend in the 3 hours class. But I explained my situation to the teacher that it's my first session and I want to experience a new thing on my birthday, and she's really nice and helped me to get some stuff to make a simple thing in my first session. And I should create a bowl of mud. It's kind of hard, I think. I put some hole in the. So I got a yes, and it seems it's getting better.
واسه بگه ببینیم که یکیه جاش یا نه.
So now we are at Kuroshmal. I got home, I changed my clothes because it's very hot out here. I took a shower and I picked my friend Bahida up, and now we are at Kuroshmal and we are about to visit Amusement Park for my birthday, and let's have some fun.
Okay, just standing the line.
She has a child inside her, and as soon as we got here, she's running around and pressing buttons. we played a lot of games, and I'm outside from the morning, and I'm really exhausted. I'm really hungry. As a part of my birthday plan, my family and I decided to have one of my favorite meals at Saedi Nia. Saedi Nia Café is located in Ag Complex, and it's one of my favorite cafes. I want to tell you a fact about this place. It is really crowded, and you should wait longer than other cafes to get your order. But it has a special item that includes of strawberry and chocolate, and this cafe is a really cute and kind of chocolate factory. And because of that, I convinced my family to visit here at my birthday. And let's show you inside the cafe and what's going on there. Item I talked about. Guess what? I got a birthday present from my coworker, and I really love small unexpected gifts like this. It's a book which I was wanted to buy it, and the name of the book is Perfume Collectioner. I made a deal with you guys that in my birthday week I want to go and explore new things, and now after work it's almost 4:30. I want to visit a gallery which belongs to one of my favorite authors named Atiya Tarzadeh, and I want to find out what's really happening in his art gallery. So let's go there and discover what's waiting for us.